My name is Foster, I like to play. Won't you come play with me? And now it's time once again, ladies and germs, for that scrapbooker who likes to play with paper, Terry Rice.
Yay, let's hear it from my MC. And I do like to play with paper and buy paper and look at paper. All that. Okay, today's sketch artist is Lisa Cuneo, I think is how you pronounce it, Cuneo. And she has a 2-page layout. She's got 3 2x5s, and I'm actually using 2x2s, and a 3 and 7, well, it's like 3 3/4, yeah, by 5 3/4. Mine are gonna be actually 4x6. So, and then she's got the same over here. So small ones at the top here, small ones at the bottom here, and the bigger one over here, and the bigger one over here. She's got some journaling here, some mixed media here, here, and here, and here. She's got some little banners here, and a title here. And mine's gonna look very much like this, as you can tell from my pictures. Okay, so this is Foster, who Grandpa was singing about. And you see we're in the hall. We play in the hall with the kids. And like when I had Ashton, we played bowling in the hall, because there's really nothing in the hall. I don't have any pictures hanging up since we did the reno. And just at my side where I was sitting, there's a small bookcase there, and it's like you just can't, there isn't, anything that you can really hurt with a ball. So now we did have to switch out our bowling ball because that was kind of dangerous. Oh, where's my glue? This keeps popping up, so I'm gonna glue it down. So I've already taken my pictures. Actually, when I printed them out, since I did 2x2s, with my printer, I just actually printed out one set of pictures like that. So it's like they were already together. So I just had to cut them in half, which I really like that. I'll remember that for the future. And then I've decided to mat them in red, and I'm going to use the same red for my, well, I guess I can do this. I'm trying to show you. And then this is the red. And it was just a red. I bought, I think, a pack of red maybe at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is the closest one to me, so I go there more than any place else. We didn't used to have any stores except for Joann's by us, and they used to have a better selection, but now they really don't have much of anything, and I guess they're closing, which is really sad because, I mean, I've been going there ever since I was a kid. Okay, I think that's how I need them. So I'm gonna start here. Yeah, so I think this is, it's like she got tired and then she just wanted to lay on the floor, like, because we were sitting on the floor. I think it just got to be too much. Too much playing. Okay, so I'm gonna figure maybe an inch from the end. I have been loving the layouts. So I do have some that are my favorites, but once I get them done, it's like they're always, some of my favorite ones because it's things I don't normally do. So I really like that. And I think probably, let's see, this one actually needs to, in her sketch, she's got them like that. And I'm going to do that too because that's, big blank space here. Oh, and this actually looks like a blank space, but it's actually this big rainbow ball coming straight at me. Okay, let's see, I did about the width of that and maybe a quarter, so I'm gonna do that over here. Oh no, he's got the tune stuck in his head now. We'll both be humming, he'll be whistling it and I'll be humming it. Okay, I think that's about it there. And I think this is supposed to be relatively, maybe a little lower than. I'm trying to figure out where it's actually supposed to be at on her sketch, because it's not quite to the bottom of that, but I think I got mine a little lower. Okay. Okay, and then we're playing with the smaller ball over here. I love this one, and I'll tell you, she belted that ball just like her dad would have, because he was pitcher on the baseball team. Okay, I'm gonna kind of do this so I see if I got it kind of lined up the same distance, and I'm just guessing. But I do want to have this part straight, and it seems like I was stuck on something. Okay, so that's about, oh, it needs to be an inch from that side. So I do need to pull that down a little bit. Okay. Okay, I think that looks good there. Just want to make sure this is straight again. That's good there. Okay. Now, she has a little banner up here. So I have this little banner from my paper. Oh, and my paper is Childhood by Mintay. And this is, I think I have one piece of this left. Oh, and I don't know if I said this before, but when I am finished with this month, with these, well, actually with this one, I'm gonna start gathering those papers, because I have just been putting them on my island in my art room, and I'm gonna gather them together and see if I can, anything that I can, just make some, what are they called? Base pages. And because some of them I have like, I think just about everything I've used, everything that I said I was going to, but maybe I might have like one of them where I didn't use one of the I think one of the Christmas sheets, I ended up not using them from the Sleeping Elf layout. And so I'm gonna make some base pages, so I'll probably be doing that next month. Okay, I'm gonna say let's play, and I'm gonna put that on here, and I'm just gonna put let on here for right now while I put on my embellishments, and then I'll pause and put that on. Okay, so these are, you know, the 3x4 cut apart, and they look like this. So I've got one of them that looks like that, and I'm going to use this to build my embellishment cluster. And I'm going to put it maybe right about here. I think that would be good. And then I'm gonna put this, like offset it a little bit from that. She's got mixed media in there, but you know, that's not happening. You seen yesterday, my mixed media was using using, I can't think about what I'm doing here at the same time, I guess. My mixed media with sequins, which works for me. Okay. Oh, now I need my tweezers because I got tape too far off the back. Okay, that's good there. I'm trying to decide if I think I need some glue here too. So if you have been doing the 30 days of sketches, have you done every day? Have you done, maybe just like 10? I know some people are playing, and some people have just done a few. I love this. I mean, I'd rather skip some other days and do this just because of doing things I don't normally do. Because, it's like, I never do little tiny photos like this, but I love it. I love it that you get like a whole bunch of pictures and it's like they tell the story without taking up a whole bunch of room. And I think it's a cute little way of lining them up. They're almost like a little film strip. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing over here that I did over there. And I'm going to kind of guess where I need to be. Okay, and I don't even know if I checked to see if they were straight over there, but I think that one was straight. Probably doesn't matter too much because I'm going to kind of cover up the edge. Okay, and then I used things that had a ball in it, trying to, keep with my ball theme that we got going here. It was so funny when she threw that ball like she knew what she was doing. Okay, and I got some tape off there again. Okay, and again I'm going to offset it. And this has like a tree house and a tree behind it, which is really cute. I'm not going to push it down all the way because I think I'm going to tuck this guy. Well, maybe he won't be behind it. I think I'll just put him like that. And then I got to put a little glue on his arms and legs and tail. Okay. The hubby is vacuuming for me. I love that. Okay, and she's got some banners here too. So here's what I've done. I cut out one of these, and these were probably on the, oh, they might have been here because one of these had it too. Because I kind of ran out of embellishments, so I've been using this because I still had these 2 pieces of paper left and one other one, I think, and this whole sheet. So I cut out the xylophone, and I decided I was going to use that as my little banner. So I had that red paper that I used for the matting. So I'm going to put that there. And then this was one of the little frames on the back. And I thought, oh, that would be cute. And if I left the little white line on there, I like that. Because once I cut out some of the things, there was one of them. I don't even know if it was one that I cut out today. It might have been one I cut out before. So I'm going to just use that there. I already think that looks cute. And then I'm going to put the xylophone on it. And do I want to put it straight on or tilt? I think I'm going to put it straight on. So it just kind of looks like part of the banner. But I think that's super cute. Okay, I'm gonna put my letters on and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got Let's Play on here. And I was gonna put it straight, but then I decided it would probably look better than to be staggered, so I did that. And then I've got a dark teal that goes really well with this. So I'm gonna use that for enamel dots. And I don't know where I'm putting them. Definitely want one down here. Or two. And I kind of feel like there needs to be something up here, but I don't know where to put them in this cluster. I think they need to be by the embellishments. Where to go? Where to go? Where to go? Let me try up here. I'll just wing it and see how it goes. Oh, I like that. Okay. Then I'm going to start up here by that banner. And maybe a couple. Okay, I like that. And then I'll do kind of like I did with that other one, like that little spot. Yeah, that looks cute. All right. And then I'll probably do some journaling like up in here or down here. So that's it for our 31 days of sketches, actually. And later on today, I will be, actually 15 minutes after this one, I will have an embellishment because it's Scraps to Embellishments today. So thank you for joining me. I'll have close-ups at the end. Oh, remember down below, there's one link to the people that are doing videos, and then there's still shots in the other link. And come over and see my embellishment. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.